They take things like metal and work it, recycling.
Yeah, I don't know if they do that part themselves or not, but they accept them.
Did you have to pay to drop your tent?
Yes, but only $15, which is quite reasonable considering.
$15 just to whistle to get rid of it, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I'm going to park in the shade here so that you don't overheat. And
I like the way you put that.
I'll be right back. Mom, are you going to come in?
Thank you.
It's a nice spot. Okay, I'll be right back.
More flowers over here.